Today, Calvin and Daddy's gonna go play. We're gonna go ride the train. This is Daddy right here, and that's Calvin back there. Okay? Nó cho nó tụi nó breakfast or she nè, tôi chỉ em một like, check train. Auto tụi nó John auto nè. Hey, tell me your name, boys.
Dad, Sunny.
Okay.
Sunny.
How about you? Hero? Okay. His name's Calvin.
Calvin.
Yeah.
Change my name.
Auto bên này lắp bắt chân cái này. Đó chỉ tu. Thế cho lại cho lại tụi nó breakfast on đây. Này thì nó chọn thế auto boy. Ít tu chỉ cả tua nó, ít tu thì nó bỏ là nó chỉ cả tua. This is Kenji.
Okay, Kenji, go stay over there and take all of you guys. Come on here. Come on here, squeeze over here. The guys, okay, there you go. Go over there, all together. Okay, look over here.
Let's move this out of the way.
Oops, I got his hand. Hello?
Watch out, Calvin. What up, Calvin?
Yep.
What up? You're waiting right here. They're not open yet, so you gotta wait. Alright, come stay over here. Line up. Line up.
Line up, boys. Sonny, come over here.
Line up.
You can see over there. Say hi over there.
Say hi to the camera right here.
Say hi, Kenji.
What are we doing today?
What are we doing today?
Hey,
right,
that's
say
right.
Open.
Yeah. Don't open the car. Nó bỏ sách nó nào mà nó không gì đâu. Bỏ chuyện này. Yeah. No, I think it's only a single line. Single line is up. Yeah. Which one này à? Which one này? Yes. Stay with me, you guys.
I'm the captain.
Okay.
I'm the biggest.
All right.
I am the captain.
Okay.
Do that. Ready? Kevin, do your pose.
You're super powerful.
Come on, you want to help me?
Hold on, just stay still, Gigi. Whoa! Here you go. Got it. Yeah, you see? You're right there. You see this guy?
Alright. Hold up, guys. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. You gotta be behind me.
Go. Come on. Say hi. Boat, boat.
Not boat.
We have lots of fun, huh?
I'm not boat.
Oh, wow.
Look at those mini boats.
Ah. Daddy, just feels vibrant.
Okay. Right, you kids go under it.
You gotta go under, okay?
Okay.
Oh yeah, we gotta get out this boat. Gotta get out the boat.
Hold up, Calvin. You want to be in the camera? You gotta wait for me. I'm holding the camera. Say cheese.
There you go. Further.
Okay. Alright.
Ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna use the picture.
You want me to be the leader?
Yeah.
Okay. So you gotta wait for me.
Gigi, slow down, look at that. You have fun so far?
Yeah. And we go back to the...
Oh, in a minute, we're gonna go bathroom. Remember I told you you said you need to go bathroom.
Hold up, you're going too fast, dude.
Okay, this one I have to Old Sacramento. We're gonna write this train right here.
This is engine number 10.
Okay, you guys want to hear that? You can pick over here. Good morning, live. Look over here, sponsor, camera. Camera right here.
Follow the line. Follow the line. Follow the line. Wait. Alright. Don't worry, I'll give it to them. Don't worry. You want to get a ticket? Yours, yellow one. The other one's already open.
Come on, Reggie. I see a cow person.
Yes.
I think it's hospital. I really wouldn't know.
Yes. What? It's gonna be moving soon. Sit down. Sit down. If you're not sitting down, they're not moving. Okay? Kenji, sit down.
Welcome aboard the Sacramento Southern Railroad. This was established in 1909 and later
Okay, wave bye to your friends outside.
railroad for this area. We're pleased that you have come aboard today, and we look forward to making this a very enjoyable trip for you. We do recommend that you stay seated during the trip. But if you do need to move about, please take hold of the handrails in the open gondola cars or the seat backs in the coaches in the first class cars. We ask that you hold on to small children during the trip. Please do not let them stand.
Wave bye to people. Wave.
We'll see you in a bit.
There you go, sir. One for me and one for the slow guy right here.
Hi, how you doing?
I did this yesterday. There you go. Enjoy your ride.
Alright, wave bye to people. Wave bye.
Hi, how you doing? Picture, please.
In the late 1800s, 1940s through the 1950s, ocean-going ships and steam-powered paddle wheelers made their way between San Francisco and Sacramento to a new and better life. The original plot for the city of Sacramento was laid out and surveyed by Captain William H. Warner and Lieutenant William Tecumseh Sherman of the Army Corps of Engineers. However, a portion of that city had to be raised by 12 feet, beginning in the late 1860s when it became apparent that the city had been laid out in a flood.
Hey, here's the engine right there, you guys.
150 years ago this month, in September of 1865, the Central Pacific crews continued the slow job of hand drilling 12 tunnels through the Sierra Nevada, averaging only a few inches through granite rock every day. The construction would continue for another 4 years. During this time, the Union Pacific, coming from the east to the west, continued their slow construction on that westward movement.
Hold on to your bench.
This is an area that was rich in local history. Here in 1900, the summer Olympic swimming trials were held in the Sacramento River. The location was named for the nearby Bass and Riverside Parks Company, a beautiful recreational spa built in 1905. We're going to pause here for a few moments to move our steam locomotive from the south end.
Let's go over here and look on the side to see the engine come by. Why did we stop? Yeah, because they're going to bring the locomotive.
There it comes. It's coming. Look, look. Wave to the engineers, wave to the engineers. Stand up high so we can see you. Stand high. Stand up high. All right, go sit down, go sit down.
Watch it, okay? Oh, make us out, okay?
It's coming back to couple the wagon. Ah, it's coming back.
It's going back, not going back.
We're going back. him out. Watch, Calvin. Look. Watch so you can see it. Look carefully so you can see it. You see that? One more, maybe one more. Keep an eye on it.
The train goes.
Yes.
That's a lot.
That's it.
Well, that was a blowdown.
Okay, you
When
can
the
get
water
down
in
there.
a steam engine is heated, it turns to steam, and the heavier...
See it. Right here. Yeah. Careful. Careful. Yeah.
Yeah, in the phone. Here, you hold this, man.
Ice cream time. So Bella, no ice cream, nah.
Yep, look over there.
Look at Kenji. Kenji, what you got?
Look,
Strawberry?
Pink?
Pink and strawberry.
Calvin, what do you want? You want chocolates and you want green mint?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want the hat. I want the
You
hat.
half, huh? Okay. That's cool. You can do that.
Oreos and
Sit down there, sit down there. Okay, everybody smile. Look over here. Okay.
Good. Eat ice cream.
I got Oreos and vanilla together.
Hmm? Everybody need them. Calvin, what do you have?
Vanilla.
Look over here, James. Sit down.
Sit down, sit down.
Sit down, Kenny. Sit down, just like you did before.
Vanilla.
Calvin. Go sit down over there, Calvin. Vanilla or chocolate?
Yeah, vanilla with chocolate.
Okay.
Lance,
Chocolate is Oreo.
Okay.
go ahead. Lance, sit down close to Sunny. Go here.
Look at the camera.
Boys,
Look
go
at the
here.
camera.
Right here.
跟家一起讨论了一看是，
Yeah.
家就是。
Yeah. Hey, Calvin.
Me.
Don't go up there. You can't go up there.
What are you looking at?
What number is it? What number is it? Is there a number on that one?
Number 3.
Number 3? I see number 60. Is that a 60? Careful, Calvin.
Wood.
It's on the tree. Ding ding.
Tommy train, we don't have Tommy train.
Floating.
In a bit, we'll go over there. Don't. Here, we're gonna find people, okay? Look, we wanna go this way, we wanna go that way. Yeah. Up there, hold on, don't run though. Dirty stuff. Slow down, baby, slow down.
The end.
Slow down, Calvin.
Slow down.
Hey, you don't go back there. You see that rope? That rope means you can't go past there. That rope, yes.
I like this cool train.
You like this one?
Yeah.
This one's huge. I don't know.
Daddy, why are these two fish connected? Daddy, why are these two fish?
What number is it, guys? You see a number up there?